Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a Christmas stocking, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make the top of our stocking. So instead of creating a line that goes all the way across, we are going to skip that part and skip down to a line that looks like this. And the reason why is because we are going to put some treats inside the top of our stocking. After we do this, then we're going to make the foot part of our stocking. Notice that this line right here is a little bit slanted. If you want to put it straight, that's okay, but I made mine a little bit slanted. All right, so the foot part, we come down like this, and then this is for the toe, and then we come back like this. It's a little bit tricky, but with some practice, you'll do fine. So you come down, you make a curve, and then you make another curve and you come around. Now I'm going to pick up my marker and I'm going to go to the back. I'm going to come down and then I'm going to start like this and make a line that looks like this. So that is going to be my Christmas stocking. I'm going to make a little bit of a stitched part at the toe. So I make a curved line with some stitching right here. And then for the heel, I'm going to do the same thing. They look like little patches of fabric. Now I'm going to go back up to the top. At this point, you can be creative. Whatever you'd like to put into your stocking, go ahead and do that. So let me give you some ideas. You can put maybe a candy cane. That's an upside down J. And just make sure you stop right where the imaginary line is right here. You can make a cute bear. Like a little teddy bear. Maybe a little part of his body and his hands. You can even make a little present with a little ribbon on the top, like this. Okay, whoops, I forgot to put the stripes on my candy cane. Now we're ready to close up the top of our stocking. So I make a line here, I keep going, just like that. Did you see how I jumped over the bear's paws and I jumped over the little present? All right, let's see. Is there anything else that you'd like to add there? It's up to you. You can make a little area, like a little hook area if you'd like. You can even make this hanging on a fireplace. This can be our fireplace. This can be a little hook right here. If you even want to make this into a fireplace down here, like this. You can even make some flames coming up. Don't let it touch your stocking though. If you want to make some brick, the way that you make brick is you make straight lines. Make sure you jump right over that stocking. Come down. And then up here, we make some vertical lines. And then on the next row, you make vertical lines not in the same row as the other vertical lines. So you move over just a little bit. Just like that. Let's close that up a little. I'm going to speed this up. Alrighty, so let me put a little bit more detail here in the fireplace. I'm just putting some lines. And then I'm going to leave that blank. Maybe I'll put one more line right here to add a little bit more detail. You can even put a little bit of decorations up here if you'd like. It's up to you. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.